All of his properties tell wonderful stories.
Family and friendliness.
It's truly world class.
A 10-year effort by Chimelong, pooling the world's best resources, achieving a number of technological breakthroughs, successfully built the Chimelong Spaceship, won the Tea Via Award for outstanding achievement for 2 consecutive years, proudly holds 7 Guinness World Records. Integrate the 15 theme areas into a new product combination of 3 touring routes and 2 circles. An animal viewing route featuring 150,000 rare marine and terrestrial creatures. A touring route of amusement equipment featuring 35 attractions and game bracelets. An immersive touring route of scenario-based science popularization for research and learning. A spectacular entertainment and show circle, and a themed dining and shopping circle. Chimelong Spaceship, innovatively integrating marine ecology and amusement.
Chimelong Spaceship is poised for ongoing development, with the second phase set to unveil a series of large-scale experiential attractions, such as the Flying Theater. Stay tuned for these thrilling new additions.